Class 9th chapter Lines and Angles. It is necessary to know the common angles before starting the chapter. So these are the angles. The first one is acute angle, which is less than 90 degree. The angles which are more than 90 degree are called obtuse angles. The angles which are of 90 degree are called right angles. Now comes reflex angles, which are greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. The last one, a straight line, is of 180 degree. It is a straight angle. If the reflex angle is T, it is greater than 180 and less than 360 degree. Acute angle is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle is Z, which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Last one is right angle, which is Y and equal to 90 degree.